Students, today I need a massive favor from your side. Basically, help us to save your time and to process your application very clearly and from the beginning has to be up to date and to the point. For that, I will please watch this video till the end so that you can understand the process of US admission guide step by step. So basically, admission process for US institution involves a systematic approach requiring various essential documents to ensure a smooth and thorough evaluation. Each institution have its own requirements. Please try to understand each it's not like a benchmark where you have one way to go, but there's a different, every university and colleges have different requirements. And for that you need to connect with us. Our counselor are there to help you and guide you. The WhatsApp details will be given in the description. You can always contact us. So let's start. Essential documents. It's all about submitting your essential documents. Please try to understand from the you cooperate with us, and it helps us to basically understand your basically your academic achievements and your financial situation, which will help us, my admission team experts, to guide you and give you what is best for you. So let's start step by step. Here are a sample of standard admission requirements. Some programs may request additional documents. Please bear in mind, application can be created, like obviously we'll give you the details, like this video can be helpful. Application fees, where it is applicable, or some may waive it, but mostly in USA you have to, many may apply for some institution. Proof of identity and citizenship, like passport, birth certificate, or other identification documents. And transcripts, high school or university records. English proficiency test like TOEFL, GRE, IELTS, and for the international students. And bank statement, proof of financial support for international students. Again, obviously these are all for students who want to study abroad, especially in US. Letter of recommendation, references from teachers, employers, or other professionals who can vouch or who can guarantee or assure us that okay, your application is fine. Personal statement, a written essay of present the applicant's motivation and experience and goals. I think I have one video which I showed about how to write SOP. It's completely like you are the best person to write SOP. I always say let the students send a SOP. We can always check, and wherever required and necessary, we'll make changes. And resume, CV, even if you're just passed, you have to submit the CV, please, and share all these documents, right documents, and obviously your trip to US will be very easy and smooth. And keep in touch. We are here to help you, and if required, we can even speak to your parents if required. And any questions you have, please feel free to contact us. Take care of yourself.